Hello, I am Andres Martin of the 10B. This is my future project, the final project of the English subject. Okay, let's start. It is a look of my future. Okay. My plans for the future was my greatest wish is to have a band with my friends and to be able to live from it, but it's very complicated. After I graduate, I will go to the university. I don't know. I will have a job to save for my future house. In my house, they go to live my mother and my pet than to be a puppy. Then I go to call him Walvis. Then I will dedicate myself to one my passion is system engineering, or I will be able to dedicate myself to music. I'm going to have a wife and maybe we'll have a son. I will call he David. David is the name of my best friend. This is very complicated, but this may vary in the future. Nothing that I'm saying can be successful, but I will give all my effort to make it reality. Thanks.